What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And I know most of you guys are just like me right now. We are quarantined and the coronavirus is going crazy. We're off of work, we're out of school, so we're all just home chilling, doing nothing. As you can see, I've been chilling because my hair is all wild and it's not done. But I know you guys don't care. So while you're home, it's a perfect time to utilize the time that you have home with no interruptions. So one of the things that I suggest to all of you guys out there, men and women, but especially to my ladies, is a little self-love, a little self-care. Like, you want to hug yourself, you want to make sure you look good, you want to make sure that you feel good, so when you come in back to work, you are walking in like, yeah, it's me, I'm her, where they at though, period, poo, boo, ba-boo, yeah, I'm the one. My skin is good, my skin is fly, you know, yeah, all that good stuff. So today we are going to do a at-home glow deep cleansing facial. Of course, all of us want to have beautiful glowing skin, so today I'm going to show you how to do it right at the comfort of your home. Now, yes, I did pick up this mask, but I got it at like a local TJ Maxx for like $10 or less. So you can do the same thing. I'm sure they have it on Amazon. So if they do, I'll look it up and I will make sure to put the link below in the comments. If you are new here to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the videos below so that I know what other content videos to produce for you. So the absolute first step to doing my skincare routine, or especially doing my facials, I make sure that I wipe off like all the makeup from yesterday or today or whenever the last time I had on makeup, just like the outer surface dirt and things like that off my skin. So today I'll be using this, and I literally like just swipe this up from a hotel or whatever. But yeah, so I'm out of makeup wipes, but I'm sure you guys have some type of cleansing wipe that you can use. That felt so amazing, guys. Like, steaming your face just like open you up. Breathe in with me. So about my facial, today I will be doing the Rose Gel Face Mask. So it is infused with vitamin A, C, and E, and it is a deep cleansing gel based formula mask. Yeah, I'm gonna do rose. I kind of want to do cucumber, and I also want to do the gold mask. This is why you guys should get this, because all of these masks seem really bomb. Rose, gold, and cucumber. What? Don't even play with me like that. Like, this is bomb. And I'm jealous. I'm not jealous, but I'm really, really upset because I want to do all of them. Like, you know how you just love like stuff for your face, and the face mask brush is silicone. Did you wash your hands today? So yes guys, 15 minutes. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. What's up guys? We are back with an update. It's been 15 minutes. We are doing our DIY Glow Deep Cleansing Facial right in the comfort of your own home. This is a little quarantine coronavirus self-care routine to make sure that you're loving up on yourself, and then when you walk outside and you go back to work, you are feeling yourself. You love the way you look, you love the way you smell, your skin glowing, hair growing. Your coworkers is gonna think you acting different. So let's get into this mask. It's been 15 minutes and the mask is drying. It is definitely sticky, very sticky, but you know, you just wanna wake the skin up a little bit. Massage your skin. I know a lot of people use jade rollers or deep exfoliating. Right now I'm just giving myself a little massage on my face. Wake it up. Wake that skin up, baby. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first day of the month. No, I'm kidding guys. So you do want to make sure that you wake your skin up. So amazing. Oh my gosh. Woo. You still here? Oh my god. Amazingly fresh. The skin looks. So now. Okay, I know my toner is a little ratchet. So now our face is dry, nice and clean, and nice and fresh and vibrant. We're gonna go ahead and tone our skin, okay? Now you always want to let your products dry as well, so I am letting it dry, dry. I feel so fresh and so clean, clean. Don't you think I'm the best? Cocoa butter formula with vitamin E. You smell so good, like a baby. And that, my girlfriend, is how you have beautiful skin at home. So if you like my DIY skincare facial videos, make sure that you jump in the comments and let me know below. Let me know what skincare tips and tricks that you may have. What at-home facials are you doing, and what are you doing during your quarantine time? Make sure, you guys, if you haven't done so already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.